let's start from a blank slide. We're going to right click format background. We're going to add a gradient fill. We're choosing a gradient fill, which is a dark gray blue. And then on the top, we have the lighter version of that same color. That gives us a nice gradient from the bottom left to the top right. Now we want to add a text box across the entire screen. And let's add the word minimal. Select the text, make it white. Change the font to Montserrat. We're going to use the subfont black, or the type black. And let's put the font size at about 150. Arrange, align, and align to center. That way it's in the middle of the slide, and we're going to position it slightly above the middle in this case. Now we want to look for an image that you can find on the internet. You position it over the text, and you Ctrl X, select the text box, go to text options on the right, and then we choose picture or texture fill. This gives us a nice background of the text, which allows you still to modify. So if you want to change the word to something else, welcome, that keeps the formatting of the text. Now we want to make it stand out a little bit more. So we're going to the shadow options, shadow, presets, and then we're choosing inner shadow from the top left. Play around a bit with the transparency and the angle if you want. Let's take it from the top left, increase the blur a little bit, reduce the trans. Let's also add a subtitle. For that we're using a white font. We're also going for Montserrat and the light version. Center to middle, align, and align to center. Increase the font size a little bit, and that gives us a nice title slide. Of course, this also works in different colors, so let's duplicate the slide, right click, format background. In case you want to have a lighter version, you can choose a light gray on the bottom and then a white on the top. Don't forget to change the font color